What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Laker Fan K24. I said I'd do a video on these Boss speakers. I elected to mount mine right here on the rear. I did have to cut these wires initially because they come already pre-wired, and they come with fast, quick connectors that go to the front box, the control box with the controls Bluetooth. So I did have to cut these in order to remount the screws, the bolts, so that I can mount them on this rear deck right here. But it wasn't much to connect them back together if you have the basic skills of wiring. And then I just, of course, ran it under seat and ran it all the way up there. I do have a switch right here. When they ignition on, it lights up, so I know that it's on. And I'm gonna let you guys kind of hear what it sounds like. I do have a switch, volume switch here. Sounds good for when you're riding. So if you're looking for a lot of bass, you're not gonna get a lot of bass out of these speakers. But I mean, let's be honest, you're not gonna really hear bass anyway if you're riding with a pretty good exhaust. But it's nice and crisp. I like it. Plus it looks different, looks cool. Anyway, that's it on that. Like and subscribe. Hit me up if any questions. Peace out.